Hello and good afternoon from those of us at Primary Residential Mortgage. Here's your weekly market update. Real quickly, rates today on conventional are at 4.375, 30-year fixed. That's with an APR of 4.533. FHA 30-year fixed rates are at 4.25, and that's with an APR of 4.796. So I'm not going to be doing investment jumbos on your weekly market update any longer. And I have quite a few things to report to you in the economy this week. Again, I do get all of this information from Mortgage Market Guide. Very heavy brown cat. So I'm going to be reading from a couple of my notes here. Really quickly, the financial reform bill has actually been reconciled between the House and the Senate this week. The extension of the homebuyer tax credit through September has actually been denied. There's been a lot of talk, so make sure you understand that has been denied. The jobs bill has not been passed. In fact, they're expecting about 200,000 people each week to fall off the emergency claims benefit list. That's going to be probably producing some very big issues. It does look like that the GDP showed growth, that's gross domestic product, showed growth of 2.7% after the first quarter reviews did come in. That is following a last quarter growth of 3%. So that looks good so far. Recently I had discussed with you some speculation about whether or not the Fed would be continuing to include the language of quote unquote rates will continue to stay low for an extended period. Well, good news. The Fed did meet this past Wednesday and they did keep that language of rates will continue to stay low. The federal funds rate does remain unchanged. The federal funds floor rate to be more specific. If you have any questions, again, Christina Livingston, Primary Residential Mortgage. You can always call me here in the office with any questions on your refinance. The last 2 days have been phenomenal in the market. Mortgage bonds continue to significantly improve higher and higher each day. The market has been rather volatile this morning, though. We did see like a 53 basis point shift early on, but rates are continuing to not only stay low, but they've dropped quite a bit in the last week or so. If you are considering a refinance, definitely give me a call. My suggestion is generally if you're paying above 5.25 right now, it's definitely going to make sense for you to refinance. So 5.25 or higher, you're definitely going to justify the cost of refi in almost every case. Not every time, but most times. You will be able to do that. If you have any questions on your purchase or refinance, do give me a call in the office, 615-425-3928. And again, to all my agents, I am available on the weekends if you should ever need me, okay? And that number you need to call to reach me on the weekend is 615-586-3178. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoy your weekend and have had a great week. Bye-bye.